Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a farmer, homesteader, or backyard animal lover, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the Garvee 5x3 28 heavy-duty cattle fence and breaking down everything you need to know before you buy. This fence is built with 15-gauge galvanized steel wire that's welded into a mesh with reinforced joints, meaning it's stronger and more durable than the average fencing you find at big box stores. This isn't just any fence. It's a 5 feet tall by 328 feet long livestock fence that can protect cattle, goats, sheep, horses, and even secure garden and orchard areas. It's one of Garvee's best sellers, and today we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the build quality. Reviewers consistently praise how thick and durable the steel wire is, saying it held up through wind, rain, and even ice storms. One customer mentioned that after installing it, the fence stayed solid through a heavy storm with no rust and no leaning. Another review pointed out that they added this mesh to an existing barbed wire fence for sheep and goats, and it worked great, much more affordable than buying fencing from Tractor Supply or other farm stores. Users also appreciate that it's easy to install. The welded mesh comes in one long roll, so you can unroll it around your perimeter and secure it with posts without a complicated build process. Some people use this fence not only for livestock, but also for keeping small dogs safely inside their yard or protecting garden beds from wildlife. One reviewer said it was almost invisible from their porch, but did the job of keeping critters out. On top of durability and versatility, this fence has graduated mesh spacing, tighter at the bottom and wider up top, which helps keep small animals from squeezing through the bottom while still keeping the whole structure sturdy. If you're thinking about weather resistance, reviewers report that even after getting wet, the galvanized coating prevented rusting, and the fence stayed rigid and upright. That's important if you live in areas with heavy rain or snow. Now let's talk price. This 5x3 28 version typically retails near $470, but it often goes on sale around $189.99, making it one of the best value fences you can buy if you compare strength and coverage. Garvee also offers free US shipping, 30-day hassle-free returns, and even 12-month warranty options with extended protection plans, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. So whether you're fencing cattle, sheep, goats, horses, or safeguarding a garden, this heavy-duty cattle fence is worth considering, especially if you want a long-lasting and reliable livestock barrier. Before you go, if you want to grab one for your farm or yard, check the link in the description. It's the one I personally recommend, and it may include current discounts to help you save. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future farm gear reviews and home improvement tips.